Today's topic will be on pulp. Okay, very short note, just to say what does it contain and also what are the unique features of pulp. These are the two simple things we would like to know. So what does the pulp contain? It contains nerves, blood vessels, and connective tissue. So these are the content of pulp. What does the dental pulp contain? Next one would be, what is the unique feature of dental pulp? Because whenever the irritation is subjected to the pulp, so how far it's going to alter its response in a unique way. So we can say in three separate categories, like how far it is unique. One thing, the pulp is centrally placed, which is surrounded by a hard tissue called dentin. So since it is surrounded by the hard tissue, whenever the irritation is subjected to a pulp, when the pulp is subjected to the irritation, so it has very less room for expansion. And because usually when the irritation is occurring, the edema will come. So edema needs some rooms for expansion, but this hard tissue dentin will not allow such kind of room. So the pain will be, pulpal pain will be even more, since there is no room for expansion caused by edema. The second point is that it doesn't have any collateral blood supply. That's why, since it doesn't have any other collateral supply, if the blood supply of one tooth is subjected to the necrosis or inflammation, it doesn't have any other collateral supply to combat that necrosis, inflammation, or irritation. So there is no collateral blood supply for the pulp. This is the second point. And the third one is that this pulp tissue has a lot of tissue secreting cells. Example, odontoblast. Okay, so they are mesenchymal cells which are present, which has an ability to turn into various form of cells. Especially it will turn into a odontoblast to secrete dentin to protect the pulp from any irritation. So whenever the pulp is getting irritation from, for example, from the cavity, the mesenchymal cells produce odontoblasts to form even more a layer of dentin, so that the pulp is being protected. Okay, so you have to remember these are the things. What is the content? Nerve, blood supply, and the connective tissue is present. Uniqueness is that it doesn't have any room for expansion of the edema, no collateral supply, and also the mesenchymal cells have an ability to turn into any type of cell to protect the pulp from further irritation.